Hi, I'm Dr. Melissa Josselson, a naturopathic doctor who serves on the Medical Advisory Board for Rescue Natural Supplements. Today I want to talk to you about the steps Rescue takes to make superior quality omega-3 fish oils. Before we delve into all the details, I want you to know that all of the Rescue omegas undergo a lengthy purification process to remove heavy metals and pollutants. Every batch is tested by a third party to ensure purity and potency, and copies of the certificate of analysis are available for each batch. As you know, today's consumers are educated and like to learn about the products they choose to buy. After watching this, you'll have an understanding of all the steps Rescue takes to ensure high-quality omega-3 supplements. Now, before we get into the processing steps, I want to mention that it is important to start with good raw material and to have optimal processes, equipment, and technologies. So for starters, Rescue uses fish caught in clean, open waters by fisheries that meet strict environmental standards. Next, processing happens in a state-of-the-art facility in Norway. This is important because Norwegian facilities are known to be more advanced. Our Norwegian partners exceed current good manufacturing practices. It's also worth noting that by using advanced technology, we can provide omega-3 fish oils with different concentrations of EPA and DHA. As you may know, Rescue offers 3 different forms of omega-3s: triglyceride, ethyl ester, and reesterified triglyceride. Each form has a different concentration of EPA and DHA, and several of the processing steps are different along the way. I'll explain as we move along. Okay. So now that we've established the importance of high-grade raw materials and superior facilities, let's get into the processing steps that Rescue takes to make high-quality omega-3 oils. The first steps are deacidification and degumming. These steps neutralize and remove free fatty acids and other components like phospholipids found in fish oil. They also remove colored materials and other impurities. After these steps, the oil is clearer with less color, flavor, and odor. The next step is molecular distillation. This is done for 2 reasons. The first is to remove environmental contaminants such as PCBs, dioxins, furans, and pesticides. During molecular distillation, a thin film of oil is heated on the surface. The volatile components evaporate and condense on the cooling surface, removing them from the oil. The second reason for molecular distillation is to increase the amount of EPA and DHA in the fish oil. This is important because EPA and DHA are the 2 omega-3 fatty acids clinically shown to support total body wellness. The dose of EPA and DHA is directly related to health benefits. In natural fish oil, also known as the triglyceride form, EPA and DHA are linked to a glycerol molecule. To increase the concentration of EPA and DHA, we have to first transform the fish oil in a step called ethyl esterification. In this step, the fish oil is transformed into ethyl ester by reaction with ethanol, and the glycerol molecule is removed. Once the fish oil has become ethyl ester, we use molecular distillation to increase the concentration of EPA and DHA in the ethyl ester oil by removing other fatty acids. The end result is omega-3 ethyl esters with higher concentrations of EPA and DHA. For reesterified triglyceride oils, there is one extra step. In this step, the ethyl esters concentrated in EPA and DHA are brought back into triglyceride form by enzymatic reaction with glycerol. This creates triglyceride oils similar in chemical structure to those found in nature, but with higher concentrations of EPA and DHA. For all 3 forms, the next step is winterization. Winterization is removal of solids from oils to avoid cloudiness and precipitation of the oil when kept at low temperatures. In this step, the oil is cooled under controlled conditions and then filtered to remove solid substances. After winterization comes absorption and filtering. This removes any remaining impurities. Absorption is done by mixing the oil with natural bentonite clay or active carbon under vacuum. The natural bentonite or active carbon is then removed by filtering the oil. This process decreases oxidation and helps to increase shelf life of the oil. Deodorization is the next step. It is done to remove any components that could affect flavor, taste, and stability of the oil. In the deodorization process, the oil is heated under vacuum while steam is injected through the oil. All deodorized oils have a very mild fishy flavor, if any at all. Finally, an antioxidant is blended into the oil to protect it against oxidation and to extend its shelf life. Every bottle has an expiration date, so you know that you are receiving freshly made and potent supplements. We also mark each bottle with a lot number so that we can track the specific batch date and time it was manufactured. Before we close, I want to point out that one of the things that really sets Rescue Omega-3s apart from other fish oils on the market is that the products are thoroughly tested before and after each process step. Rescue follows strict processing guidelines, so premium quality and purity are guaranteed in every batch and with every bottle. All Rescue Omega-3 oil used in production is tested for hundreds of contaminants at scientific analysis laboratories. In addition, every finished Omega-3 product batch is independently tested for potency at Eurofins, a worldwide leader in the analytical field. For over 3 decades, Rescue's mission has been to provide the purest, most potent omega-3 supplements available. All of the Rescue Omega-3 products have more EPA and DHA than almost every other brand. And when taken as recommended, all of the Rescue Omega-3 products offer the same long-term health benefits without worry of impurities or contaminants. I hope you now understand the importance of processing to create a high-quality product, a product that Rescue is proud to put its name on. Once again, I'm Dr. Melissa Josselson for Rescue Natural Supplements. Thanks for watching.